Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to read the star spread. And this card here is the middle. This one represents the querent. In this case, this is the Seven of Swords reversed. Now, the Seven of Swords is the thief, basically. You see he's stealing all these swords from these people here, but what he's done is he's left two behind and he's dropping them as he runs away. So he's basically playing mind games, and keeping his feelings private. Now, today our querent is asking what steps they should take to find a loving partner. So in this case, we would want to make sure that we tell them that, they stop playing mind games, and that if they have feelings for someone, that they should tell them instead of trying to leave them breadcrumbs. Now, the next card is this one here. This one is you and your present situation, or the querent and their present situation. And this is the Two of Cups. Now, the Two of Cups shows a young couple, basically. They are in a complete harmonious relationship, as you see the yin-yang symbol here, and the cups in the picture are completely level. This means that they've already got harmony in their life, and that if they want, this would be the perfect time to dip their toe in the water and start seeing if they can find a relationship. The next card is this one here. This one is what you want, or what the querent wants, and this is the Four of Wands. Now, the picture on the card is going to give you most of the information you need on the minor arcana. That's what these three here are. Now, the Four of Wands shows a couple who's just been married. They are at their reception, and they look like they're having a good time. Everyone's dancing in the background. So this is basically a celebration, a gathering of family and friends. So what our querent wants is to party, to have more fun, with family, friends, whoever is around. So maybe right now they think they want a relationship, when in actuality they just want to, be around other people and have fun. Now, the next card is the top left, this one here. This one is the hidden factors, or what is hidden from our querent. And this one is the Wheel of Fortune reversed. Now, looking at the wheel, we see the three fates as they watch the wheel spin. The wheel basically represents, our lives as mortal beings. And, they've got the thread of fate, and they're about to cut the thread on someone. Now, this is reversed, so what this means is that, what's hidden from our querent is that it's not fated. They're not going to just fall into a relationship. It's going to be under their control. They have to take the initiative and, find opportunities where they appear. Now, the next card is this one here. This top right card this is the obstacles they're going to face. And this is the Four of Swords reversed. Now, the Four of Swords upright shows a woman wrapped in a blanket covered in poppies. Now, poppies are basically the symbol of, sleep and dreams, and, in The Wizard of Oz, where Dorothy fell asleep in the field of poppies. As you see on the door, there's where our swords are. The door is bolted, and the candle has, she's laying there so long that the candle has blown out. The Four of Swords upright is basically what I call my depression card. Now, with the Four of Swords reversed, the challenge or obstacles that our querent is going to face is the fact that he's got to learn how to open up to someone. He has a tendency to keep to himself and, more of an introvert than an extrovert. Happiest when lying on his bed reading a book or listening to an audiobook than, actually going out and partying. Now the last card, this is our top card here. This is the outcome or the overall feeling of the reading. And this is the Princess of Wands. Now, when the card is upright, you can see the little princess here. She's staring at the new growth on the wand, and she's a bit excited. She's got her familiar there with her. That's her little dragon. So with this card reversed, what this means is that there's no growth. He's putting too little energy into, changing the fact that he is so introverted. One of the reasons or ways that you find someone is you have to open up to them. You have to open yourself up for the pain, the joy, the happiness. And if you're guarded or keep to yourself, it's not going to happen. So what we'll end up what we're going to tell our querent is that he needs to learn to open up, enjoy going out more often when it's available. As of right now, nobody's going anywhere. He needs to not play mind games or keep his feelings private. This is a harmonious time for him, so if he wanted to, this would be a good time to start looking. The only thing that is hidden from him is that it's not fated. A relationship is not just going to fall into his lap. He's actually going to have to get out there and work for it. If not, there'll be no growth and or no relationship here in the near future. Well, I am Tirthalion. This was the how to read a star spread. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below and I'll get to them as soon as I can. Also, don't forget to drop me a like. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and have a great day.